Nicole Denise Johansson was born on May 21, 1985 in Portland, Oregon. She is 36 years old. Her astrological sign is Gemini. Nicole Johansson was born and raised in the United States. Nicole Johansson stands 5 feet 2 inches tall or 157 centimeters. She has a beautiful brown hair and brown eyes color, marital status, married, nationality, American. Nicole rose to fame through the Nicole Johansson Instagram account where she has garnered more than 154,000 followers. Nicole Johansson has worked with numerous brands like Fashion to Figure, Selkie, It's RCO, Rebdolls, Fashion Nova Curve, Forever 21 Plus, Slink Jeans, Playful Promises, Fabletics, Curvy Sense, Peachy Beauty, Mega Babe, Pacifica Beauty and several other brands. Nicole Denise net worth is $2 million.